Hello. When you might heard that global media controls in Microsoft Edge. So what exactly useful of this? When you play a video, YouTube video in any tab or a media control icon actually appears on top right of the corner of the edge, usually next to your extension or profile icon. This lets you control YouTube videos playing in any tab, even if you are currently in different tab or window. So this is called global media control in Microsoft Edge only. So what is it is when you play video or audio, example YouTube, Spotify, Web, etc. Edge automatically shows a small media icon on the toolbar. What we can do exactly is play or pause, skip to next or previous, see which tab the video is playing from, and open picture in pitch, control playback without switching tabs or browsers. So actually this is most useful when you are open multiple tabs and multiple windows Microsoft Edge. So sometimes audio or video playing in one of the tab, but we could not find where exactly it is. But by using this feature, and I mean global media controls feature in Edge, we can simply control the video and we can see which tab it is playing, and we can pause it and we can move the next. We can go for picture in pitch mode also. I think this is most useful feature. Please utilize this. Thank you guys.